Hey beautiful people, in this video I'm gonna share with you a very powerful face mask for hyperpigmentation, even acne scars. So if you are dealing with hyperpigmentation all over your face and your neck, this video is for you. If you're searching for something like this, stick to this video till the end. Make sure you watch to the end so that you understand everything that I used on this video. Okay, if you're searching for something to get a clear skin, make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay, got you. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my video. Like I said, I'm gonna share with you two effective ingredients to get rid of pigmentation. Okay, we're gonna be making use of 1 tablespoon of ground flour. If you don't have ground flour, go ahead and use rice flour. Okay, so after that, you're gonna get your next ingredient. These two ingredients are very powerful ingredients you can or could ever imagine. Okay, so we're gonna be making use of half teaspoon of turmeric powder. All right, so right now after that, you go ahead and mix the two together. Mix very well until they combined. Okay, so ground flour is an effective exfoliating agent. Okay, so as well, turmeric powder is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and helps reduce skin pigmentation. Imagine adding these two simple ingredients, making use of it to clear your rough skin. Okay, so right now just go ahead and add some water. Gradually, I don't want to add a lot of water. I don't want to mess things up. Okay, so you can go ahead and make use of milk, liquid milk. Okay, in case you don't want to use water, you can make use of liquid milk. But as for me, I'll just go ahead and use water instead of milk. Okay, so right now it's so much like thick, it's so hard, so I don't like it this way. I'll go ahead and add more water to it. So these two simple ingredients you are gonna use, I promise you that it's gonna help you a lot if you use this consistency. Okay, so right now I already added some water. This way it's very well, it's fine this way. Right now you just have to mix everything together until they are well combined. Okay, so all you have to do before going or before proceeding, if you have not subscribed or you watched to this point, thank you so much, you're the best. And don't forget to like this video. Please just give it a thumbs up. It's free, you're not gonna pay for anything. Okay, please like this video, share with your families and friends if possible. If you can't share, please like. Okay, don't be selfish. The more like you are liking, you are encouraging me to bring more stuff like this. All right, so please like this video, it's very important to me. Okay, so right now after mixing, you just go ahead and wash your skin. Make sure you wash your skin and then apply it directly to the skin. And for those of you that has dark circle, if you have dark circle, dark under your eyes, and you're searching for how to clear it off, this is also one of the best face mask or for dark circle hyperpigmentation that you could imagine. You just have to apply it to your dark circle area as well, or pigmentation around your mouth. You just have to apply it to around there and leave it for like 15 to 20 minutes before taking it off with lukewarm water. So all you have to do is to make sure that you keep this up to 20 minutes. Let it dry completely before taking it off with lukewarm water. Okay, so keeping this on your face for a longer time is gonna help your skin a lot. So you just have to keep it on your skin. I love ground flower. Whenever I make use of ground flower or to use it on my skin, whenever I'm using ground flower on my skin, I always feel happy. I don't know why. I think ground flower is my favorite. Okay, so personally, I love ground flower. So right now, it's 20 minutes as I place this on my face. I'll just go ahead and take it off and then come back. You can see it's dry. Some parts are so dry and sticky, so tight on my face. So here is how my face look after washing. I just take it off with water, and then after taking it off, you go ahead and follow it up with your favorite moisturizer. So you can use this daily. It has no side effect or irritation. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up and see you on my next video. Bye.